In today's video, we're gonna give you 5 side hustles that you can look into to start earning some extra cash. Let's get started. At number 5, buying and reselling products. Finding products to resell for a profit has never been easier with websites like eBay and Amazon. But finding the right products at the right time and properly marketing them to potential purchasers are key for success. With the resale business, there's a lot of versatility, so you want to decide which industry and which products you want to sell. There's a market for just about anything these days, from vintage brands to collectibles to technology. You'll need to do your research and develop an expertise on the value of certain items and how much you can sell them for. My biggest advice if you want to start reselling things is be prepared to do a lot of research. When my husband and I first started, we went through the rabbit hole, we watched a bunch of YouTube videos, and we came across different items that were selling for really high for no explanation. And those are the things where you question, is this too good to be true? For example, me and my husband saw that the Princess Diana Beanie Babies would sell for over $5,000 on eBay. And we got really excited. We would go on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace to try to find the Princess Diana Beanie Baby. And we saw them for $20. We bought them. And then once we bought them, we tried to sell them and it just didn't work out. Later on, we found that these Beanie Babies were being used for laundering. And so that explains that. But in my experience, reselling is a profitable business. All in all, even though we have had some bad moves, we've been able to profit greatly. For example, my husband found a Arc'teryx jacket for $20 at Goodwill, and he was able to sell it for about $200. Similarly, I found a Givenchy shirt, and it was a men's polo shirt. I found it on eBay selling for about $100. I bought it for $8, $9, and I was able to sell it for about $80. I also found that Swarovski crystals around Christmas time sold a lot. So on OfferUp, I found someone selling 5 Swarovski crystals, and I was able to sell each crystal for above $100. So I was able to make about $200, $300 there. It's a good business, but be prepared to do a lot of research, understand the demand and supply. In order to start, you need to have an inventory. So I suggest going to thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, and also just starting by looking around your house and seeing what you can sell. Probably the biggest advice is when you are at a garage sale or thrifting and you're trying to find items to resell, search it up on eBay, check sold items, check when it was sold and at what price. Moving on to number 4, Uber and Lyft as a side hustle. If you have access to a reliable vehicle and you have time on your hands, Uber and Lyft is a great way to make extra income. My mom and dad would often pick up this gig around the Christmas time so they can start paying for their vacations in the summer. I think one of the best things about this gig is the flexibility in schedule. You have to go in and have your car inspected, and then if you pass all the checks, you can pretty much just open up the app when you have time. I'm ready to drive. Let's go pick up people and earn some money. A few key tips here. One, you're gonna want to download a mileage tracker so that you can basically have this as a tax deductible year end, because you will be racking up miles if you're driving people all around. Another tip is go to places that are high demand. I believe it's with Uber, but they have demand times or peak times where they'll give a multiplier or they'll give a bonus if you show up at a different location that's in demand. Since we're in Seattle, they tend to find this at the airport or downtown Seattle during peak times like the holidays when no one really wants to drive there and it's just chaos. But if you can handle that and you're fine driving in the city and driving in traffic, then you will earn a good bonus, like 300, 500 in one day. The only thing that you should consider is while it is lucrative, you also have to tack in the different costs associated with this side hustle. Some expenses will be the mileages driven, gas, and insurance premiums. It's important to remember that factors like location, demand, and competition has a huge role to play when it comes to how much you're gonna earn as a Uber and Lyft driver with this side hustle. At number 3 is UGC content creation. If you haven't heard of UGC, it stands for user-generated content. User-generated content, or UGC, is basically when a person creates a video and they are creating a video for the brands to use on their social media profiles. A lot of companies are looking for UGC services because people trust people. Having a video on their social media with a person that looks like you or me versus the brand actually posting, increases brand recognition, customer loyalty, and so much more. For me, I've been doing UGC for about a year, and I've been able to make consistently an average of about 5K doing this, working for 3 to 4 brands. If you have no experience, the best way to start is just starting to create videos on products that you already have in use as an example for these brands. The best way I've been able to showcase my UGC skills is I actually have a TikTok and Instagram where I can refer brands to it and they can see examples of videos that I've made. Another way to get into the UGC game is going onto Fiverr and Upwork and basically having a portfolio and having a product that people can buy from you. And another way is just pitching yourself to these brands saying, hey, you're offering UGC services. Here are certain examples and this is how much I charge and would you be interested? Number 2, become an affiliate marketer. First off, let's talk about what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a good or service of a third party in exchange for a commission on each sale or lead that is generated through your referral link. One of the most appealing reasons why people start affiliate marketing is the low barrier of entry to start. You can become an affiliate marketer for all kinds of goods and services. Probably one of the most known affiliate program that exists today is the Amazon affiliate program. You'll see on social media different influencers linking different Amazon products and they have their own influencer link. They might also have their own storefront, but essentially anytime someone buys from this link, they'll have a small cut of whatever the product cost was. I myself am signed up for about 2 to 3 affiliate programs. I am signed up for the Amazon affiliate program. Honestly, I don't earn much. I'm also signed up for the Webull affiliate program where when I share my link for people to invest on the Webull program, if they sign up, I earn about $60 in stocks and they also earn up to 12 free stocks. So it's a win-win for both the person who signed up and me. Something you want to think about if you want to do affiliate marketing as a side hustle is you'll want to be on social media, you'll want to create a blog, you'll want to create materials that basically you link back to your referral program. I would also say definitely compare and assess different affiliate programs. You want to make sure that the affiliate program that you are going to be signed up on and that you're going to be promoting is something that adheres to your values or your niche. For example, I'm a finance creator. It makes sense for me to be signed up for Webull, which is encouraging people to invest, but also earning me stocks as well. It wouldn't make sense if I signed up for like a fashion subscription because I don't talk about fashion and I don't do those clothes hauls. So it just doesn't make sense. So you want to think about relevancy and you want to pick affiliate program that you actually stand by, that you love, and also that the commissions make sense. At number 1 is freelancing. Each and every one has a different skill that they bring to the table. And when you sign up for platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, there are people every day looking for the skills that you have. For example, for me, I signed up for Upwork and I had graphic design Canva background and I was able to generate like $300 by creating this postcard on Canva for a real estate agent. It's as simple as that. Like, I think a lot of people know how to use Canva and there are a lot of different skills you don't think about, like simply being able to write content. That's a service that people are looking for because they don't have the time to do it. And so when you sign up for platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, they basically curate all these mini jobs that you can sign up for and earn that extra cash. But my biggest advice for when you sign up for Upwork and Fiverr is that you know how to market yourself. Make sure to have a complete profile, make sure to have different examples of your work. If you are a content creator, link all your different content. If you are a writer, link all the different essays that you've written before. I think a lot of things that I've seen differentiate other freelancers from other freelancers is some of them will get really personal. They'll apply for a gig and then they'll create a video where they're explaining why they are fit for that job. And that's something you can do. So which one of these side hustles do you want to try out? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for more videos on how to save, make, and invest money. See you in the next video.